So today we are in Honduras. We are stranded. Yes, we won't be able to get back home till May 13th.
I've tried to send my information's just not going in. I'm burning bridges shore to shore. I break away from something more. I'm not turned on to love until it's cheap.
What's up, guys? So yes, we are stranded in Honduras. So check this out, guys. So we made a trip out here to Honduras, me, my girlfriend, and my brother. I had to come out here because I want to take my mom out for her birthday to her favorite island she's never been to, but she's always had a dream of going to when she was a kid. It's right off the coast of San Pedro Sula. It's an island called Roatón. It's a really cool island. I'm gonna show you guys some highlights in there. Super sick, super cool. I would highly recommend you guys go. I know I'm getting a lot of feedback from my Instagram about where this island is. It's right off of Honduras in the Caribbean. You guys would enjoy it, okay? So we were planning on coming here for just a week, but then our flight was supposed to leave Monday. We were on Sunday on the island, enjoying life, our last day there. We're leaving Monday, and we get news from the government of Honduras that they're shutting down the whole airport, shutting down the whole country, okay? So now Monday, there's no operations. You can't go to work, no business. The airport's closed, everything's closed. So they canceled our flight. And we've just been talking to airlines back and forth. You know how that goes. Airlines don't know much because it comes down to the president of Honduras. He's the one calling all the shots. They want to come pick us up, but the president of Honduras does not want to open up the airport. So then we kept rescheduling flights for Thursday of last week, and then that got canceled. And then Sunday of last week, that got canceled. And now we are here this week on a Thursday. And we're trying to get back home, but there is nobody that can get us back home. They're telling us we might have to wait till May 13th. That's when the airport will open up again. All right, so we're trying to talk to the US Embassy, but they are not cooperating at all. We don't know what's going on. Nobody knows what's going on. There's over 1,500 Americans here, which is crazy how the US cannot bring a plane here to grab us. Blows my mind, but it is what it is. So trying to get a private jet out here, wasn't able to get that because the airport is completely closed. Okay, so as of right now, we have no luck. We've been doing social media posts, lots of families are out here. They can't even afford food or housing. It's mind-blowing what the coronavirus is doing to a lot of people, because what happens if I'm broke and I can't afford to live in an Airbnb for 3 weeks or even 2 months till May 13th? Where do I go? The streets? Yeah, it's ridiculous. So I hope everyone here in Honduras, wish you guys the best if you guys are here, and all across the world where you guys are at, that you guys make sure you have shelter, you're in a safe place in the meantime, so we get all the Americans back home safe. All right, so want to make this video, just give you guys an update how it feels to be an entrepreneur stranded in a third world country. Completely different lifestyle than California. You can't leave your apartment, your house. The crazy part about all this is they only open the food stores twice a week, okay? So you have Monday and Wednesday to go to the food store. So you can't really do much, and if you leave, it is a must that you have to wear your mask when you are in Honduras and when you leave your apartment, or you won't be able to cross the police checkpoints that are random in the city, all right? So we can't go anywhere. There's no restaurants open. There's nothing open besides those 2 days, besides the essential, like the bank or the gas station. But it's crazy because there was one day where we also don't have any car. I have family members here, but they're also busy. They're doing their thing. They're kind of scared as well, where we didn't have that much food. We literally couldn't eat dinner. So we had to wait the next day to go ask my family for some food because they stocked up very large. You know, we go big out here. We didn't know the laws here and the restrictions they have on because of the coronavirus. So it's been crazy. It's an experience I've never dealt with in my life. Even my parents have ever dealt with in their life. So I wish you guys to be safe, stay positive. We'll get through this, guys. Make sure you stay inside so we can come back and get to work. We do not want to destroy the economy. This is crazy stuff, and the fastest way to get back to normal is staying inside so we do not spread the coronavirus, guys. I know there's a lot of conspiracy theories about it. Drop your comment below on what you guys think about the conspiracy theories, or what do you think about the coronavirus in general. I wanna know what you guys think, your thoughts, because I'm very curious. It's a very interesting time in our lifetime that we'll never forget. The fact that the whole country shut down for about 3 weeks now, and it will probably be a month or two, is mind-blowing. You would never think that. Like I said, last year, this is my birthday month, I was in Hawaii with the boys, enjoying life. This year I'm stuck in Honduras and I can't leave my apartment. That is crazy how fast things can change in a split second. Okay, so hey guys, check this out. This is really cool. I'm gonna show you guys the view, show you guys the apartment we're staying at. Awesome views. We're on the rooftop right now, nice and quiet. Study vibes is really cool too. They got a couple places where you can study. They got Wi-Fi connected to all the amenities and all that stuff, so it's cool. It's a nice place. It's a modern place. It's one of the most modern places in Honduras we're staying at. So hoping everyone is safe out here, especially the people that can't afford to keep paying for hotels or Airbnbs. I mean, I know there was a family out here with like 50 students from a soccer team, and they couldn't afford the hotels here. They were supposed to only be here for a week, and they ended up being here for 2 weeks, and they literally had to make a post and contact the US Embassy and news reporters out there to get help out here because they could not afford all the kids to stay in a hotel. It was costing them 200 bucks a night. But hey, if you guys are stranded in Honduras, please contact me. You know where to find me, AZ himself. I love to help you guys. You can shoot a comment below, message me on Instagram. I would love to share where you guys are at right now. We communicate. In the meantime, while we're here, especially if we're gonna be here till May 13th, which is crazy, we're gonna have some entertainment. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna show you guys kind of where I'm staying. Super cool spot, great work vibe. They have a lot of amenities where you can work at, like a grill spot here, 3 different offices, a business center. They all have Wi-Fi connected, so super cool. It's not the greatest Wi-Fi. That's why I haven't been able to upload a lot of videos for you guys, especially on YouTube, because I know a lot of people are panicking over the coronavirus. And that's another reason why I made this video, is e-commerce still a thing while this coronavirus is happening? I'm gonna explain to you guys in this video as well. I'm gonna show you guys one of my stores, what they're doing, and seeing how the numbers are and how the coronavirus has affected it positively or negatively in the last 2 weeks. So stay tuned for that as well, guys. Right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give you guys a little tour of where I'm staying at. As you're gonna see, it's more of an upscale area. We are in a pretty nice spot in Honduras just because of safety reasons. And they just built these apartment complexes like 2 months ago. Which is really cool. They're super new. If you guys come to Honduras, you're gonna want to come to this spot. It's treated me very well. I don't mind staying here till May 13th if I have to, just because they have a lot of amenities. The only problem I have staying here is, number 1, I can't drive because there are no fast cars here, and number 2, the Wi-Fi here is very, very slow. Okay, so it's gonna be really tough to upload videos and stuff like that, but we're on the rooftop right now. I love it. You can see the whole city, great big mountains around us. Check this out, guys. See, like I told you, they have a lot of amenities here. Here's another spot you can work. Here's a fun fact though. That building right there is supposed to be one of the coolest buildings in San Pedro Sula, but the architects that built that building ended up doing something wrong to the point where they built the whole skyscraper and realized that the building is tilted. Okay, so it's slanted over, and now they have to destroy the building and rebuild it again. Thank you for insurance in this situation. That's why you want to have insurance, but it sucks. It really does, because they spent like 3 years building it, and it's fully done, and then they realize they have to destroy it because it's going like this, and eventually if you have people living in there, it's going to collapse, and then there's going to be a lot of lives in danger, and there's going to be a lot of lawsuits coming your way. So a lot of people in this city who are looking forward to it. It's very close to the university, so there's going to be a lot of like university students living there, stuff like that. But I'm going to show you. So here's the rooftop, but there's another part up here. It overlooks everything. Check this out, guys. here, I know you probably can't really see me that well, but right here I come around 11 o'clock at night, think for a bit, meditate. City's quiet because of coronavirus. Great spot to overlook everything, super quiet. I love elevation. I don't know why it's in my DNA, but that's the tour. Guys, it's very hot out here when you're in Central America. It's got a nice modern look to it, like how places will look in California, so that's why we picked this spot. But now we're gonna jump into one of my stores, show you guys how the coronavirus has impacted my store. Now, I don't believe this is gonna be permanently, okay? So let's check it out, guys. I'm gonna give you guys a little understanding of what the coronavirus can do to your store, but it's okay. There's a lot of opportunity out there right now, so you better be capitalizing on the coronavirus because it's gonna change the game forever. Do you realize the coronavirus is literally going to change the way humans live life? And if you're not jumping on the internet and building your real estate online, you will be left behind and you will be looking back 5 years from now, wondering why you are where you are right now. Check this out, guys. Alrighty, guys, so as you guys can tell, it definitely dipped since the coronavirus had got a lot of exposure across the US and across the whole world. Right here, it was going up, it's going up and down here slowly, but it completely died off right here, and that's kind of when everything started to go down in a way because people were getting scared and the whole country shut down. So yes, it did impact my store. Are we still making money? Yes. Is it the greatest store right now? No, but it has been really well. It's treating me very well in the last couple months. This is an actual brand where we ship out 2 or 3 days. We're looking to put this in stores here soon, but if you do know how that stuff works with retail and all that stuff, it is a whole process to get inside stores. This year hasn't been too bad, but like again, it takes time to build a brand. When you're building a brand out there, you have to do it correctly, so you set that foundation, because if you just run it up and you're not ready with customer service, your product quality controls everything when you're building the brand. See, we've done 110,000 so far this year in Q1, but it's $1 million company. We're just wanting to get feedback from the customers and making sure everything's in place so we can take it to the next level, okay? So, like I said, I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos about how to build an actual brand, because you don't wanna build a dropshipping store, because that's not long-term. You don't wanna make a quick 100K or a quick 20K. You wanna build something that is gonna last you 3 to 5, 10 years from now, where you could sell it off for $10 million or whatever that is, because that is something that's an actual business. You want to build an actual business, okay? So yeah, this is what's happened in this year so far. I just want to show you guys this a little bit so you guys have an idea of what's going on with my stores. This is one store that I wanted to show you guys. So guys, that's it right there. If you guys have any questions regarding e-commerce, especially during this time, feel free to ask. Drop your comments below. I am here to help you guys. The reason why I make this YouTube channel. And as well, you can find me on Instagram at AZHimself. If you guys have any questions, shoot me a DM there. Wish you guys the best. Stay safe out there, guys. Listen to what the protocol is. Stay inside, guys. Let's get back to normal society. Be safe out there, stay positive, and of course, saving lives and enjoying the beauty of life, okay guys? So remember one thing, we're getting one day closer each day to getting over this tragedy. We got this, guys. This is going to be okay. Just make sure, don't panic, don't let your emotions get the best of you guys. If you guys have any questions, you know where to find me, guys. Yes guys, this has been my gym for the last 2 weeks. I told myself we have to make sure we get that oxygen, that blood flow going every single day. You have no idea how important and how crucial and how effective it is to hit the gym and get that blood flow going, guys. So go out there, get your body going. If you have access to a gym, I know a lot of gyms out there are not open, which I've been lucky enough to have a gym in the spot I'm staying at, because at my house I do not have a gym in California. So see if you can find a gym. I know there's a lot of coaches out there that are doing online training for free just during these times, where you can just pull out, do some push-ups, some pull-ups, just do something to get the body flowing. You do not want to have the body resting for too long. It is not good for you guys. Remember one thing, do not let outside forces stop you from crushing your goals, dominating your path, okay? Like this. This is an outside force, the virus. You did not create this. This is from someone else or something. There's a lot of conspiracy theories out there that are saying where this came from and all that stuff. But that's another topic. Right now, we do know, hit the gym if you can. If you can find one, you have a friend's house, whatever it is. Again though, be safe out there, guys. And of course, let's keep crushing it, guys. Let's get it.
Tried to send my information's just not going in.